Sarah. Welcome to my channel, Colorful Creations. If it's your first time here, welcome. And if you're returning, so glad to have you back. If you subscribe, just hit that little bell so you get notified when I post a new video. I try to post every few weeks if I can. I would like to do more, but you know, life gets complicated, busy sometimes. So I'm gonna do a Dutch board again today. I'm gonna do a 3-panel triptych. I'm using these cute little wooden panels I got from Dollarama. They were, I think, $2 each. They're 8x8, and I just gave them all just a coat of plain white paint. You can use gesso, paint, whatever you want. It's just because paint absorbs into wood pretty bad. So if you put a coating on there, you're not gonna lose too much. So I will show you that in a second. I'm gonna keep it pretty simple. It's just gonna be black, silver, and I'm using a brand new color that I haven't tried before. I bought this a while back and I haven't had a chance to use it. It's a FolkArt, it's FolkArt Treasure Gold Aquamarine. So that's gonna be super pretty, I hope. And I'm gonna be using that with the metallic black, metallic silver, and white. So I'll show you those in a sec and we'll get started. Okay, so here's the colors. My white for the base is actually, I'm using another one it's from Dollarama, DecoArt. It's just a plain, simple one. I wouldn't recommend their other colors because they're just not very pigmented, and there's just, but white is white. So that's what I'll be using for the base. There is a link to a video in the description of how I mix my paints with my recipe and everything. This is the Aquamarine I was just telling you about. Isn't that gorgeous? I hope that's hope the camera's picking that up, but that's a metallic. This is the metallic silver by Sargent Art, and this is a metallic black by Artist Loft. With silver, blue, and the black. A lot of times I would put the black on the bottom, but I just want to make sure that I have lots of black showing on this. The black against the white is such gorgeous contrast, so I want to make sure it's showing up. I'm actually worried there's not going to be enough there, but we'll see. I'm just going to put a little white along the sides to help that flow, and then I'm going to use a hairdryer to blow that paint across the panel. Alright, so it's just a regular hairdryer, and I have an attachment. It just gives you a little more control of the air coming out. This I got from Amazon, and it's at a 3, and it just sits on the end. Alright, so it's kind of pretty. Got lots of black and that blue that's coming through. This one really goes together, wow. Okay, I'm gonna get you in for a closer look at this. All right, here we are. These turned out really nice together. What do you guys think of these colors? I'm kind of liking the really simple, not too complicated color palette. It's got some pretty design. Tell me what you think in the comments. I'm gonna let these dry, and then I believe I'm gonna put a coat of resin on these because resin looks so good on wood panels. And like always, if anyone has any ideas, suggestions, or comments, just let me know. I'm open to anything. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.